Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial of Java on Net. Today we will be seeing what is static import and why we use it. So let's go ahead and see the definition. So as definition suggests, if we have to use any static variable or method from other class, usually what we do is we import the class and then use the method variable with class name. And suppose I have to use a py function, py method of math class. So what I'll do is on the top before the class I'll be importing that particular class by import java.lang.math, and then I will be able to use the py method of that math class by class name dot method name. But in static import we can do the same thing. We can directly import that particular static method or variable so that we don't need to explicitly mention the class name dot method name. If you can see, it's written over here. We can do the same thing by importing the static method or variable only and then use it in the class as if it belongs to it. So here what I'm doing is I'm giving importing that particular method py of that class math. So see, import static java.lang.method.py. So directly I can use the py method of math class in my example. So let's go ahead and see the Eclipse how we should implement this. So Eclipse, I will be creating a new class. Okay, I will be naming it as test static import. I will be needing a main method. So let's go ahead and see the old way how we are doing it. So what I'm doing is I'm importing so I'm importing java.lang.math class here. Now what I can do is let me take a double variable test, or I can value equal to math.py. So I will be using a py method of this math class. Multiply this with 5 and I will be printing it. Oh, I'm sorry, I need to write this inside the main method. Sys out value is, so I will be printing the value. So let's go ahead and see the output of this. So if you see value, it's printing 15 after multiplying it math.py. So let's go ahead and see the static import. So what I have to change here is I have to change import static java.lang.method math.py, because this is the function which I will be using. And here I don't need to explicitly mention the class name. Directly I will mention py multiplied by 5. If you see, the value will be same as before. See here, 15.70 is the value. So this is the main advantage of static import, that we can directly mention the static method or static variable on the top of the class, so that we can use it in the rest of the class without having to explicitly give the class name dot method or variable name. Thanks and have a nice day.